We're going to discuss one of the most powerful and easy-to-use indicators in the market, the arrow indicator. This indicator has been a game changer for many traders, and in this video, we'll show you how to use it to make consistent profits. Follow the indicator signal, then win every trade, make profits. Now the indicator down signal, go the pocket option, select the currency pair and time frame 5-minute candle. You can check my live account. Let's go to start. The session indicator is telling us down trade has to be taken, so traders we will trade towards down. This indicator is high accuracy, you check. The arrow indicator is a highly effective tool that has consistently delivered impressive results for traders. Its ability to provide accurate buy and sell signals makes it an indispensable asset for anyone looking to elevate their trading game. But that's not all. This indicator is also capable of identifying potential market reversals, giving traders a unique edge in navigating even the most volatile markets. The arrow indicator is a technical indicator that provides buy and sell signals in the form of arrows on your chart. It's based on a complex algorithm that takes into account multiple market factors, including price action, volume, and momentum. The result is an indicator that is both accurate and easy to use. Join our community today and gain access to exclusive trading strategies, expert insights, and a supportive network of like-minded traders. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your trading journey. Visit the Telegram link in the description below to get started. See results.